Hello everyone, today I'm talking about installing the latest version of Manjaro. As per tradition, the latest version of Manjaro, called Talos, is distributed with 3 different desktop environments, KDE Plasma, XFCE, and GNOME. Thus giving users the possibility to choose which one that best meets their needs. Furthermore, this operating system is available in a version for ARM technology. Its installation procedure is extremely comfortable and simple since, as you will see, there are very few actions you will have to do. One of its peculiarities is the possibility of deciding which Office package to install between the 2 proposed, LibreOffice and FreeOffice. Another possible choice is between installing open source drivers and proprietary ones. The presence of the Linux 6.1 TLS kernel guarantees Manjaro considerable stability and reliability. However, there are not only internal improvements to the operating system, but also some more visible ones. For example, version 4.18 of XFCE has a tool for highlighting files, which you will find in their Properties dialog. It is now possible to customize the background and font color of the text that distinguishes them. In Plasma, the configuration operations have been simplified, reducing the number of pages in the Settings tool. As for GNOME, the system status menu has been redesigned to make it easier to use. It should also be noted that several bug fixes regarding the migration to Wayland have been fixed. Manjaro 22.1 represents a further and concrete step forward, both from an aesthetic and a functional point of view, to allow the best possible user experience, without however neglecting the aspects concerning the security of the operating system, its stability and its ability to work even in more limited hardware conditions than current standards. See you next video, and now some music.